Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will discuss what's our problem that we face in competitive exams. Our main problem is English, especially those who are not from English medium school. I am also not from English medium school. I am from Bengali medium school and I face this problem too, and that is why I am telling you. I thought this problem could be same for the everyone who is not from English medium school. So at first, in the first part of this video I will discuss what is our problem regarding English. Okay, so our first problem is we attempt very less English questions in the fear of that the answer would be wrong, and that fear is very much justified, I think, because we don't know about the English word or English. So it's very obvious that fear comes to our mind. And second is we are not good at English. That is why we start avoiding reading English newspaper and speaking in English. So it was our it is our problem, and it was our problem, but now it is not my problem, fortunately. And may the Hindu maintain its auspices on me. Jokes of the part. Okay, in the later part of this video I will discuss how to overcome our shortcomings and how to enhance English. So read English newspaper, collect unknown words and analyze these words and revise it again and again. In my previous video, I had told you how to read English newspaper and collect words, and how to use those words in a sentence. And number two, grammar is also very important for this competitive examinations. For grammar, follow the Nimisha Bansal's 120 grammar rules, which is available on YouTube. 2 years back, Bankers had released those videos. I am giving you guarantee that will definitely help you in the error detections. You can see here I have noted all the 120 rules of Nimisha Bansal's. You can see I try to revise it on regular basis. You can see I have noted all the rules. Okay, you can see. So it is available on YouTube. You can easily find it. Okay, just search 120 rule of Nimisha Bansal Bankers Adda. You can also find the new versions of the Nimisha Bansal's 120 rule, but I would like to suggest you to follow the Nimisha Bansal's old video, which is available on the Bankers Adda channel, because she was more energetic at that time, and she taught in a very energetic way or very energetic manner in those videos. Okay, and third is take mock. Take mock on regular basis for practice, because practice makes a man perfect and woman too. Now you can see here newspaper. The both is very important for the exams. I am giving you guarantee these three method will definitely boost your confidence, and later you will thank me for that. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Many of you requested me to make a video from where you should prepare for the grammar. That is why I'm making this video. And in my previous video, as I told that I have shown you how to read newspaper and how to enhance your English. Trust me guys, I just got 3 marks in IBPS clerk in 2019. After that, in 2020 I got 23 in English in IBPS clerk, and 25 in SBI PO, sorry, IBPS PO. And I also attempted very good marks in very good number of questions in SBI PO, but there was no in result they don't mention how much marks I got. But in IBPS PO I got 25, and in IBPS clerk I got 23.75. Okay, so guys, I also uploaded those my scorecard on YouTube. You can also check it on YouTube if you don't believe me. So thank you guys. If you also want to boost your or increase your marks from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 to 24, you can follow this method. This method will definitely help you. It's my guarantee. It's guarantee from my side. When I start preparation, no one was there to tell me that follow this method, but somehow I came to know that it's very important method to enhance English. Reading newspapers for grammar, when you will be very used to reading English newspaper, then you will find that you need not read grammar rules separately. Okay, so reading newspaper is very important. You can follow it. Thank you for watching this. Hope this video will help you.